Ever feel like you're running full speed, but not actually getting anywhere? You wake up, rush through the day, tick off tasks, yet something's missing. What if I told you? The secret to peak performance isn't doing more, it's doing less, but with laser focus. Today, I'm going to show you how mindfulness, yes, mindfulness, can transform your focus, productivity, and even your bank account in just days. And no, this is not sitting cross-legged humming all day. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share is the exact same technique used by Olympic athletes, world-class CEOs, and Navy SEALs before stepping into the most high-pressure situations on Earth. Let's cut through the noise. Mindfulness for success isn't some fluffy self-help trend. It's a high-performance tool that Olympic athletes, Silicon Valley founders, and elite performers use to stay razor-sharp under pressure. We're talking about laser-focused awareness, the kind that lets you dominate your morning routine, crush deadlines without burnout, and walk into any meeting or competition with unshakable confidence. But here's the twist. Most people sabotage their own focus before the day even starts, and they don't even realize it. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to expose the daily habits silently killing your productivity, and how one simple shift can unlock your peak performance in 2025. You see, our brains weren't built for the chaos of 2025. Every ping, every scroll, every urgent notification pulls you into the trap of reactive thinking. And here's the kicker. Multitasking? It's not making you more productive. It's frying your focus and stealing the mental energy you need for peak performance. This is why mindfulness meditation for success isn't about slowing down. It's about taking control of your attention. Imagine starting your morning routine with total clarity, no mental clutter, no decision fatigue, just laser focus on what actually moves the needle. That's the kind of focus training that turns an average workday into a productivity boost you can feel in every area of your life. And in just a moment, I'll reveal a 3-minute daily habit that will give you that exact mental edge starting tomorrow. Let's start with the simplest, yet most overlooked, performance hack, the 3-minute breathing space. Here's how it works. Wherever you are, at your desk, in a meeting, even stuck in traffic, you pause, close your eyes, and bring your full attention to your breath. For the first minute, just notice the rise and fall of your chest. For the second, scan your body from head to toe, releasing any hidden tension. And for the third, refocus on the single most important task of your day. This isn't just a meditation for focus, it's a neural reset. Neuroscience shows that just 180 seconds of present moment awareness can calm your amygdala, the brain's stress center, and reactivate your prefrontal cortex, the command center for decision-making and creativity. Imagine walking into your next big meeting or starting your morning routine already in that zone of peak performance. And in Scene 5, I'll share the real reason this tiny habit works faster than most 10-minute meditations and how top CEOs are secretly using it to win their mornings. Here's why that 3-minute breathing space works better than most 10-minute meditations you'll find on YouTube. It's short enough for your brain to say yes every time. No excuses, no skipped days. And repetition is where the magic happens. Each time you do it, you're training your brain like a muscle, strengthening neural pathways linked to focus, emotional control, and productivity. This is the same focus training Navy SEALs use before high-stakes missions, and the same mindfulness for success routines practiced by Olympic athletes before competition. CEOs I've coached use it as their morning meditation for peak performance. So by the time they walk into their first call, they're sharper, calmer, and ready to execute. The beauty? You don't need a yoga mat, a quiet room, or even privacy. You just need 3 minutes and the discipline to show up. But in Scene 6, I'm going to give you the real game changer, a 7-day challenge that will hardwire this into your daily routine and make focus your default state without relying on willpower. All right, here's your peak performance blueprint, the 7-day mindfulness challenge. For the next week, you're going to start every morning with a 3-minute breathing space before you touch your phone, before you check emails, before the chaos begins. On days 3 and 5, you'll add one mindful task engagement session, meaning you choose one activity, like making coffee or reading, and give it your full attention. No multitasking, no distractions. By day 7, your brain will already start craving this clarity because you'll notice you're more productive, less reactive, and here's the kicker, you'll get more done in less time. This isn't just theory. Studies show consistent mindfulness practice can improve focus by up to 60%, and reduce stress hormones by nearly a third. Imagine walking into work with the calm confidence of a Navy SEAL, the creative spark of an artist, and the execution speed of a Fortune 500 CEO. And in the final scene, I'm going to reveal the one sneaky reason most people fail to stick with mindfulness, and the exact fix that will make this your new unfair advantage in 2025. And here's the truth. No one tells you about mindfulness. Most people quit because they expect fireworks on day one. But mindfulness is like compound interest for your brain. Small deposits every day lead to life-changing gains you can't ignore. The difference between those who fail and those who succeed? A system that makes it impossible to forget. That could be a sticky note on your laptop, a 1-minute guided meditation alarm on your phone, or even a friend who checks in daily. The point is, success in 2025 won't belong to the busiest people. It will belong to the most present. And if you've watched this far, you're already ahead of 90% of people still drowning in distractions. Here's your challenge. Comment "I'm in" below if you're starting the 7-day mindfulness challenge, and then share this video with one person you know needs a productivity boost. Let's see how many of us can turn 2025 into our most focused, successful year yet. Why guess? Learn what actually works. fitlifeace.com